Every second, people around the world generate huge amounts of data, from online shopping and social media activity to banking transactions and business operations. But data alone is useless unless it can be understood and transformed into meaningful insights. That's where data analytics comes in. Data analytics is the process of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data to help businesses and organizations make smarter decisions. It allows companies to understand customer behavior, identify trends, improve efficiency, and predict future outcomes. Today, data analytics is used in almost every industry. In healthcare, it helps doctors predict diseases and improve patient care. In finance, it helps banks detect fraud and manage financial risks. In marketing, companies analyze customer interests to create better advertising campaigns. And in sports, teams use analytics to improve player performance and game strategies. The data analytics process starts with data collection. Information is gathered from websites, apps, customer feedback, sales reports, and social media platforms. Next comes data cleaning, where errors, duplicate entries, and missing values are fixed to make the data accurate and reliable. After that, analysts use tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI to analyze the data and create dashboards, reports, and visualizations that make complex information easy to understand. There are four major types of data analytics. Descriptive analytics explains what happened. Diagnostic analytics explains why it happened. Predictive analytics forecasts future outcomes using AI and machine learning. And prescriptive analytics recommends the best actions to take. With the help of data analytics, businesses can improve decision-making, reduce costs, increase profits, and deliver better customer experiences. As the world becomes more data-driven, the demand for skilled data analysts continues to grow rapidly. If you want to build a future-proof career in technology and business, learning data analytics is one of the best skills you can start with today.